Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Time to put the cape on, save the day. This thing's the fuck A. I'm not pointing any fingers, but some 200-pound gorilla got on the end of her, pulled the head clean off. Got a mushroom-shaped bruise on the forehead. I don't know, she don't work too good. This thing predates Fluke getting sold to, what was it, Temporary? Or Furtive. Furtive. Same guys that own Matco Tools. Furtive Tools. Or Fortive. My mistake. I misspoke. Not Furtive. No. Far from it. Okay, we got a compound problem here, which everybody knows if they've ever tried to straighten out compound bend. A little bit complicated. So the thing is with batteries, these kind of batteries, you never leave them in a piece of gear because they leak invariably. Invariably they leak. So, look at that, very telling. The Durasmell leaked. The Defiant didn't leak. And the Kirkland leaked. So the Kirkland are made by either Durasmell or Everdeddy, or they're the same battery, only cheaper. Defiant, I have no idea. That's just the shmoo what got out and then corrodes everything. I think we're okay because normally it gets stored in the upright and seat back position. Ah, that's not good. Crystal is coming out. Yeah, the PCB board is hopefully nothing corroded. How this comes apart. Well, there's seems to be a daughter board or a mezzanine board. Why? I don't want to pull it by the... Seems to be pulling it by the connector. Ugh, what the fuck? Oh, they're pinned. They're pinned to the LCD. Normally you see a zebra stripe, and that's what fucks up the LCD display. But this guy, that doesn't seem to be working too good. Okay, we see some damage here on account of, well, some light corrosion. We might have caught it early enough. We'll clean that right up. And it would appear to me some plastic Googa busted. See that? That should be a nice stiff detent. And she's wallered right out. Loose as a calfed out heifer. Appears to be something missing out of there. What the fuck over? Somebody used this and then broke it and then put it back together. That's the worst. Fuck. Now what are we gonna do? That, my friends, is why you never let anybody in your shop. Especially by the name of Duclaw. Although he wouldn't do something like that. Would he? Just gonna ginger carefully pick up all of that shmoo. Looks like we're okay. Doesn't seem to have infiltrated into any of the components. The closest suspect is this little capacitor down here. That would just be a decoupling capacitor. So even if it blew up, it wouldn't be a big deal, you wouldn't think. Yeah, we got ourselves an onion here. Keep peeling back layer after stinky layer till there's nothing left but tears. It appears as though either the cabochages came in and fuckulated this, or I did it on my own and forgot all about it. Now, of course, it's easy to point the finger at other people. That's the thing. Anytime anybody else is around, you lose a tool, and all of a sudden that guy stole it right in your head, even though, you know, human nature being what it is. And then you get all pissed off for half the day and you find it in your sock drawer or your wife's bedside table if you're talking about a electric jackhammer. That's neither here nor there. A little problem as well. Now, I don't know if this is factory or not. There's a itty bitty titty. Oh, too far. Focus, yo. Okay, now I'll take my hand off so you can see it's not too... You see this guy right here? Looks like a little tiny resistor. Sorting fly shit from the pepper. It's busted off. Okay, so what do we do about that? I do not have a hot air reflow station. Well, most times you're fixing a problem, you just run what you brung and hope for the beast. In this case, we got to take a second and recognize that we're completely licked right off the hop. So I'm going to get a new tip for this, and I'm going to get some, what do they call that? Flux. Normally got zero flux to give. In this case, look at the size of our we need to give a flux. All right, here's 1206 components in your eye. Probably even smaller than that. Fire up the Ouija board here. We're gonna channel the spirit of Louis Rossman's past, which of course by the time this is published, that dirty old fruit company will have gotten to him for sure. Oh fuck, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Right tool for the job, eh? Oh fuck. Okay, it's free. It's free. Maybe I'll go look for some tweezers. Well, never fails. You go looking for something, and there it is. Gone. I just bought a brand new set with a nice hangulation, 30-degree hangulation, I think, with Chickadee at the electronics store. But here I am using the old sliver slingers. Ugh. And this would likely be quite a bit easier if one, I had a couple drinks in me, and two, if I was using a microscope. But the problem is the microscope, what I got, has a lag in the camera. So it's worse than not using it at all, because there's lag and it's just bad. It's just bad. Not only that, you end up puking because you're nauseous. Make sure that's on. Yeah. No bonus on. All right, back together now. The real problem: where to find not one, not two, but 6 AA batteries. Oh, I know where. Work. Yeah, that wouldn't be ethical. I'd never do that. Although maybe next time a supplier offers to take me to lunch, I can pick some up then, because that's totally ethical. And I never understood fucking sales guys. They don't get when you don't want to go to lunch with them. But it's a free lunch. It's not free. I gotta fucking sit across from you and talk to you, you fucking goof. Now don't tell the better 3 Carters. She had a raft of them in her bedside table. I don't ask too many questions. So now, oh, doesn't fit. Fucking slotted heads. We're just about ready to give her a try. Okay, so that is this range. VDC. Volts. Oh, right. Because they use the same board for another a number of meters. There's another meter with the same form factor. It's got lead holes here, and you can... yeah, so conceivably we could hack this to be that meter. It works. She ain't too pretty. Feels pretty mushy. But it's a hell of a lot better than buying another $1,000 instrument. I'll keep an eye out for a similar meter, and then if I can get some measurements, then I can make a model and have it 3D printed. Nice little piece of that. Might be a fun little project. Oh, if you got one of these and you know... I need to either print one out or get another part. That's just no fucking good at all. Too sketchy. So if you could, I'll even send you a scaling device here, a scale. Take it out, take a photograph or something, and then we can model it and print it out on a 3D printer. Alternatively, if you know where to get parts for these things without sending them in, down below me in the doobly-doo, be great. Much obliged. Muy obrigado. Thanks for watching. Keep your clam in a clamp.